we're going to use the this is the remote turns on the TV. So you just push the TV button, and you have to point this at the TV for that, right there. And then we're going to use the cable button, which is here, to turn on the cable box.
Or the
You can also
cameras, he
do that.
spoke to.
So you can mute it, but you always have to point in between the different devices. It's pretty sensitive to the which you point at. Okay. Now, if you want to play a DVD, you're going to use this remote, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to TV video, and I think you point it at the TV here, and then you're going to scroll up to use that button, and you're going to scroll up to component. Oops, and you have to point it at the TV to do that. So I'm going up to component. There you go. I hit component. Now I'm going to hit OK. In the middle there. Now I'm on this. So now we're going to go to the third remote, which is this one. Okay. This remote is, you're going to now power on. Oh, that's actually on, and just.
Where's that pointing?
And we're going to go over to the component piece, which is there, and we're going to, you know, I got a DVD in there, so I'm just going to push play, I guess, and it's going to start that thing playing. Okay, and that'll play. And then if you want to get it, and now if you want to get real fancy, you can push this button, this one, on video, and it will take the sound and it'll bring it out through the Bose speakers. Okay. So you got 4 remotes, and then you just do all that in reverse, and you'll be all set.